In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube subscribe button in WordPress. Before we dive in, make sure you're signed in to your WordPress.com account and you know which site you want to work on. Plugins on WordPress.com may require a plan that supports plugins, so if you don't see the plugins menu, that's usually why. Start by heading to the WordPress.com site's page. From there, select the site where you want to add the button so you're managing the right dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Plugins. This opens the plugin area where you can browse and search for the tools you need. You'll see a search field at the top. Click into it and type your query. If you just focused the field or clicked a highlighted suggestion, that's fine. What matters is that we're going to look up a YouTube subscribe button. You can also switch to the Discover tab to explore curated options if you prefer a guided selection. In the search bar, type YouTube subscribe button. Then confirm the search, either by pressing Enter or by clicking the visible search results prompt. You should now see plugins that match. Look for the option labeled Subscribe YouTube button or the closest match to that name. Click the plugin card to open its details page. On the plugin page, take a moment to review everything. Click the Description tab to understand what the plugin does and how the button appears. Then check Installation to see any requirements or specific setup notes. It's also a good idea to click Changelog to confirm the plugin is actively maintained and compatible with your WordPress version. Finally, open the FAQs tab to scan common questions. If the FAQ section collapses, or you want to recheck something, click it again to jump back in. When you're confident this is the right plugin, click Get Started. This begins WordPress.com's guided flow for setting up the plugin on your site. You'll be taken to a setup page that may prompt you to choose or connect a domain as part of enabling plugins on the site. Click the highlighted option to proceed. If you're picking a new domain, use the Search Domains field to look up what you want. If your site already has a domain, select the option that indicates you already have one to continue without changing it. Follow the on-screen prompts until the flow completes. That's it. You've located the YouTube